What's up, team, and welcome back to the channel. The biggest talk in the stock market right now is Tesla, guys. What is Tesla going to do? So I am here to break it down for you. And on the chart, you can see I have simple candles, guys. We're going to hide all the red, all the green, and we're just going to identify where Tesla is at right now, guys. Okay. So Tesla currently is in a downtrend, guys. Check this out. So Tesla came down, and you can see on the channel here, guys, it was supposed to bounce, but it did not. It kept going past the channel, which is called a standard deviation. Okay, they deviated from the standard, which is fine. Then they made a run back up and found resistance that matched the original resistance it came from. And sure enough, back down to that support line and bounced up, guys. And this is where it got bearish for me, guys. Look at that midline. They did not make it past the midline. Anytime you have a channel, you need to get past the midline to stay bullish. And of course, they came back down and found support again. So guess what? Everybody and their mother said, jump into Tesla. This is great support. And sure enough, we got all the way up here again to the same common area where we found resistance as a trend down. Okay. So this downtrend resistance is real. And of course, earnings came up, guys, came back down. And now it seems like they are bouncing off of this mid area, which means could Tesla come back up to test this downtrend resistance, guys? So the first thing we're looking at, guys, is the top of the channel, which this area here was resistance for Tesla. Okay, Tesla had 4 daily candles, could not get past this. They went down. And sure enough, they bounced off of this. And this is, guys, what we call the fib 50% level. So they continued down. And of course, we found an area that was a 1 standard on Tesla coming down from the top. Then they came back up. And again, we found resistance, guys. Look at that. The third resistance, which is here, guys. Not only are these lower highs, guys, okay, and you need to identify this anytime you are trading. Don't get bullish because you believe that it's a great company, which it is. Get bullish because the chart tells you to get bullish, guys. So right now, this is all bearish. Okay, from the top of the channel, you can see and identify that Tesla had a downtrend resistance. And sure enough, they broke out right in here, guys. When they met the top of that trend resistance, of course, they rejected again. And at some point down here, they broke out of it and started heading up. Now, here's the big question, guys. Okay. We did find resistance on Friday. Are we going to continue downward, or are we going to break out early this time because we are finding support at a midpoint? Okay. Now that could be super bullish if they continue. But remember, they have resistance up here. Okay. Now, if they come back up here, guys, we are looking at around a 340 area. But if they come down here, look at these numbers on the right. Okay. That is not good for Tesla. Now, if you understand trading view, guys, these candles here, I'm going to stretch them out a bit, and you can see the ranges for Tesla. And you can see right off the bat, guys, okay, that they were pushing a lot of money into this day, because look at the size of that candle. This is a big candle, okay? And sure enough, if you go back, you're going to find small candles, and this is the days where Tesla was being pushed down. Of course, a lot of sell-off, guys, a lot of sell-off. And of course, remember, people bought here, and potentially they said, okay, I'm willing to take my losses here because I've been holding for a long time and I'm afraid it's going to go down, blah, 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 the news. Okay. Again, I think Tesla is a great company, guys, but you have to watch the chart and you have to be very, very true to yourself. They are in a downtrend, guys. If you look at the moving averages, which I'm not going to post up here, but if you're just looking at candles and then I add the moving averages, guys, we are under the 200. Tesla has officially gone into a death cross on the daily, guys, and that is not good. So I am staying bearish with Tesla. And like I said, this is a downtrend. And if they get past this channel, I think we're going to hit this area here, guys. How long is this going to take? That's very simple. All we have to do is take Tesla's average true range, which means I take every single candle for the last 14 days and I give it an average. And if I was to say Tesla has a $18 average on the way down from 316 to 295, they can get down to about 298 in one day, 284 area second day, and this might be the third day. Now, if they have pullbacks on the way down, okay, that happens, then this could be a 5 to 7 day drop, guys. Okay, that's where I'm at with Tesla. I would love to see it go this way, but I don't think there's enough money out there. There's a lot of people that are going to start to sell off because we are at all-time highs, and Tesla is going to suffer a little bit, especially with what Elon said, that the next 2 quarters are not going to be good. His exact quote was, they're going to be rough. So make sure if you have Tesla, guys, and you're holding on to your position, okay, it's a great company. Learn how to hedge your position, guys. See you on the next video.